In the sunny backyard, Maria and João are immersed in a lively game of tag. A sudden shift as dark clouds ominously fill the sky, and a light rain begins to fall. Despite the rain, the sun continues to shine, creating a surreal atmosphere. Maria and João halt their game, gazing upward with curiosity at the strange weather phenomenon. João points excitedly towards the sky, filled with wonder. "Look, Maria, there's a rainbow in the sky." Maria questions, "How does it appear?" Bursting into the kitchen, Maria and João are flushed with excitement, eager to unravel the secrets of the sky. Grandma, dusted with flour, stands at the counter, a beacon of warmth amidst their youthful exuberance. "Grandma, where does the rainbow come from?" Maria and João ask. "It appears when sunlight passes through raindrops. That's why we see so many beautiful colors in the sky," Grandma explains, her voice a soothing balm. Maria and João, energized with inspiration, seize a garden hose. They spray water high into the air, creating a delicate mist that catches the sunlight. A small rainbow shimmers into existence within the spray, a testament to their playful creation. Overjoyed, they laugh and cheer, celebrating the magic they have brought into being. The sun shines with renewed intensity as the rainbow begins its gentle fade. Maria remarks with a wistful tone, "The rainbow is going away, but well, never forget it." João exclaims with wonder, "Now we know how it's made. It's nature's magic."